Hey Preeti. Hi Preeti.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, Aman. I'm well. How are you? It's nice to see you.
I'm fine.
3 years since we last spoke, huh?
Yeah. You keeping a track of that?
No. So, my boss, Shekhar, he told me that you'll be the right person to have this conversation with. I was surprised to find out it was you. I thought you were still with that pharma company,
No, I moved here around a year ago.
still using that mug.
Yeah. It's quite good. Quite durable.
Were you tense before connecting with me on this call?
No, I mean, can you guys tell us like what's your company's need? Like why are you interested in our product?
We're a manufacturing company and we're looking to streamline our packaging operations. We think your product would help us.
So you plan to implement this in all of your factories?
Yeah, I mean, pilot in one plant, I guess, and take a call. Could you explain the product details to me again?
Oh, I thought you knew about it. Didn't Shekhar tell you? It's not that complex.
Yeah, he briefed me. It's just that I'd like to understand the details well.
There are times when you don't understand simple things.
What?
Nothing. I will just take you through the presentation. That will help you understand the product details much better.
Why are you doing this?
Doing what?
Making this conversation difficult.
I don't know what you mean. Can we please come to the point?
What is the point, Aman?
You moved on, Preeti. That too so easily. Nothing. Forget it. Sorry. The point is that I will take you through the product details again, and that will help you and Shekhar take a much more informed choice.
Like you took an informed choice 3 years ago.
It wasn't my choice, and you know that. It was yours.
Aman, when did we leave campus?
Do you really want to talk about it?
Yes.
2016,
And when did we break up?
10th August 2018.
3 years. It's been 3 long years, Aman.
So, what should I do?
Nothing. Just please put up the presentation.
No. Let's finish this first.
Finish what?
I've been following you, Preeti. I know you're a married woman now.
Yes, I am.
If it was so easy for you to say this, I'm sure it must have been quite easy for you to forget what we had. So, I am sure you'll be leaving this corporate job very soon to pursue your full-time career in music, just like we had discussed when we were together. I was so supportive to you. We had talked about everything. Both of us secured great jobs from college. You just had to leave your job after a few years to pursue your passion for music. We had talked about everything.
Why did we break up?
Because you didn't want a child. And I wanted to be a father for sure.
And
And? And you never accepted that thought?
did I not?
Yes. You did not.
Man, you remember the last time we fought about this?
How can I forget that party? Rohan's party.
Right. And what happened there?
You made yourself quite clear.
Really? What did I say?
You said something on the lines of not having a child and just focusing on your music career.
Man, what were my exact words?
Exact. Why are you being so pushy? Did I say something wrong? If you pass out from business school at the age of 30, I think it's perfectly normal to think about settling down and having kids.
I never said I didn't want a child, Aman. I just said I wasn't willing to think about it in that moment. I was struggling to balance my job with my music. I kept saying it every day, but you made a fuss about it. Every bloody day. Until that night in the party when things got really out of hand.
You never really understood me.
Oh, sure. You say so. And if I said the same to you?
You were never appreciative of my support. All I wanted was one thing, a clarity, which would have helped me so much. But instead, you didn't choose to talk about it. And you negated it straight away.
You kept bringing up the same thing.
Yes, because you won't listen.
I won't listen. Aman, I won't listen. I've always given you my reasons. And I never said no to having a child.
Yes, but you never took any interest in talking about it.
Aman, did I say no?
I don't remember your exact arguments, but you seem so off whenever we discuss this.
Yes, because if somebody brings up the same conversation again and again, it becomes quite a task to handle it.
So you don't have these arguments with your husband now? Or does he also sail in the same no children boat with you?
That's none of your business.
Yeah, sure. Who am I to you now? Just some vendor that you've been assigned to talk to so that you can buy some stupid products so that you can fix your company's stupid packaging problems. That's it, right?
I think it's best we end this call here.
Yeah, sure, why not? There's not much left to talk about anyway. I will mail this presentation to you so that you and Shekhar can take your own sweet time to come back. Also, the next time Shekhar explains to you anything, please listen. And all the best for your music career. I'm sure your husband is supporting you quite well on that.
Stop singing.
What? Why?
Just don't feel like stage and singing again.
Can you do that? I never thought you would do that.
Why did you think that?
I don't know. Your passion for music was unquestionable. You stressed yourself so much while managing your job to keep your passion alive.
Yeah.
Why would you quit?
I don't know. Something in me pulled me away from it. It's too hard to talk about all this now. All the while we were together, I was chasing my dreams and suddenly you left. And I gave up on them. Just like that.
I never thought we would end it post that night, that stupid party. I never thought our arguments on this issue were that big a deal for you.
They were. They always were, Aman. You won't listen.
I'm sorry. I should have been a bit more patient with all of this.
Maybe. I don't know. You say you don't even remember the exact arguments I kept having with you.
I don't
What
recollect.
did I say, Aman? What did I say? During one of our initial arguments at Pam Auntie's place, I said, Aman, I'm not against having a child and starting a family. I just need some time. And that night, when we were about to go to sleep, what did I say? I said, Aman, please give me some time. I'm struggling to balance this job with my music. I just need some time, and we will talk about starting a family. That's what I said. Does that ring a bell? Because I never said no.
I should have listened to you. I'm so sorry. I was too caught up in my own world. I was not happy in my previous job.
There's no point in taking this conversation further. What's the point of it anyway? Why don't you email the presentation to us? Shekhar and I will discuss it, and Shekhar will probably get back to you. Also, I'm pregnant. Bye.